About 11 or 12 years ago, I entered a contest for the Super Bowl in collaboration with Doritos. And the theme was basically make a commercial that was less than 30 seconds. You had to use their music, their logo at the end, which shaved off about 2 or 3 seconds, which means it was a little more difficult than it seemed because you had to make a commercial, a story that was enticing, captivating, captured people's interest, and told like a little bit of a story all within like 26 seconds. But I had an idea for that. And of course, I chose the flavor of Doritos that were vegan at the time. And I went a step further. I dumped those out and I refilled the bag with Beanfields chips because I was the one biting into them. And at the time, I just wanted to eat something that was a little healthier than the actual Doritos. So I didn't end up winning. And this video is back from like 2011 or something. And not many people have seen it. So I thought I would share it with you guys today. I'd love to know your thoughts and enjoy.
Look, I asked you to fire and you didn't. So guess what? You're fired and she's fired. Have a nice day. Sorry, pal. No change.
I didn't ask for that. You gave me a heart attack. I didn't